Hello, today we will guide you through how to change inflation assumptions in Boldin. Start by opening Boldin and heading to the Planner overview. This is your home base where you can see how your plan is tracking and where changes to assumptions will ultimately show up. From here, look to the very top left of the screen and click the three horizontal lines. That opens the main navigation so you can quickly jump into the areas that control your plan's calculations. Choose My Plan to access your planning settings. Inside My Plan, select Rate Assumptions. This section governs the economic inputs your projections rely on, so changes here can meaningfully shift long-term results. Next, open Inflation and Appreciation. This is where you'll update the inflation-related figures that drive everyday expenses, healthcare costs, and Social Security adjustments. Begin with the general inflation rate. Click into the field to change it. This percentage affects most living expenses in your plan, so even a small adjustment can compound over time. If you're testing different scenarios, it helps to note your original value so you can easily return to it later. Keep your entries consistent. Use the same decimal format each time. And remember that this rate is typically meant as an annual long-term average rather than a short-term spike. Next, adjust the medical inflation rate. Healthcare costs often grow faster than general prices, so consider a value that reflects longer-term trends rather than recent volatility. Again, click to edit, review the impact the change might have on your future medical expenses, and aim for an estimate you can justify over many years. Now locate the Social Security Cost of Living Adjustment, often called the COLA, and click to change it. This figure determines how Social Security benefits rise over time in your plan. Setting a realistic COLA helps keep income projections aligned with expectations. In some layouts, you may see a second Social Security COLA entry. If it appears again, repeat the change there as well, so your assumptions remain consistent throughout the plan. When you're finished making updates, return to the overview. This brings you back to the dashboard where you can see how your adjustments affect cash flows, goal timelines, and overall plan health. If something looks off, revisit inflation and appreciation to fine-tune your inputs. A good practice is to make incremental changes and review their effects, ensuring your assumptions remain realistic, internally consistent, and aligned with your planning horizon. That's it. You've updated the inflation assumptions in Boldin and reviewed their impact on your plan.